Hey everybody, welcome back to Tech Odyssey. I'm actually here today with a sponsored video to talk about some cases and the lens protector for the S22 Ultra. It's from a company by the name of ESR, and I wouldn't be here talking about them if I actually hadn't bought their cases before and liked them. I bought their cases and recommended them for the Pixel 4a, the 5, and the 5a. So when they reached out and they said, hey, we'll send you some cases, you can check them out, and we'll do the sponsored video for the phone. I'm like, okay, cool, sure, that's fine, because I like your cases. So I have two here. Two different models of cases. They have their Project Zero clear case, which is your typical TPU clear style case. It's got drop protection and it's got raised bezel protection, all that good stuff. And it's a decent little case. You can get it for about $14.99, which is a pretty good deal because considering the phone is brand new, and if you saw the Samsung cases, the official ones, well, they're kind of expensive, like 40, 50 bucks for a case. And then they also have their metal kickstand case that comes in black and also in clear. And the neat thing here is you have this nice kickstand on the back, so you can use it standing up or you can use it sideways. We're going to dive in and take a look at those, and also the camera lens protector kit as well. And I already installed that on my phone to protect the lenses. It doesn't have that big camera bump anymore. It has these minimalistic individual lenses here, but it has the coverings that goes over it, which is tempered glass to help protect and keep your camera safe. So we're going to dive in and take a look at these and do a nice product showcase video so you can see exactly what they have to offer. We'll talk about prices and availability and things like that, but you can get them from Amazon. I have links down in the description. You can click there. Those are affiliate links, which go and support the channel if you want to do that, or you can just go to Amazon on your own, which is perfectly fine. So let's dive in and take a look at these ESR cases and the lens protector kit for the S22 Ultra. All right, so here's what the ESR packaging looks like. These are what their case boxes look like, as well as the camera lens protector. If you order one, it's going to show up in these nice, minimalistic, easy to toss away in the trash. It's nothing too crazy. It's not going to be taking up a bunch of space in a landfill, and it saves money because they're not wasting a bunch of money on these crazy packages. So there's two different case styles we have here. This is the metal kickstand case. There's two different versions here. You can see the black one and also the clear one, and they have this nice stand on the bottom. I like this. There's a lot of cases that I've reviewed in the past that have those ones that kind of pop out, slide up. Those things are a pain in the rear end. I do not like them. This I will actually use, and it's nice because it's positional as well. It's kind of pneumatic, so it has some tension on it, and it feels nice and solid. It also feels like it's quality, so I do appreciate that. But these are the two options there, and then we have the Project Zero clear case, which I have on here right now. And I wanted to show this off. You can see what it looks like on here. And lo and behold, I have the camera lens protector kit on here too. The camera lens protector kit is $16.99, but it puts these little caps with the tempered glass on to your cameras and also your LED flash and all that good stuff. It protects them because now they kind of stick out. You don't have this big camera bump, big camera module anymore. I like how they've done that. But it also works well in conjunction with the cases because you have this recessed cutout protection for the case. And then on the front, you also have raised bezel protection. So this sets up higher than the phone does, so that if you take it, you can place it down on a flat surface. You don't have to worry about stuff coming in contact with the screen. Of course, that's on a flat and clean, unobstructed surface. You want to put a screen protector on it, definitely grab one of those. You've got easy cutouts on the bottom to get to the charging port. The speaker's open, and then also for the S Pen, you can see how easy that is to take in and out. No problems there. You can hit it with your finger. You can hit it with your thumb. I do like that. Reinforced bezels around the edges, so that way if you drop it, it's got some impact protection there. Helps absorb that instead of your phone, which is also nice, and it doesn't really mess up the form factor. We all know that the S22 Ultra is a gigantic phone, but this doesn't add a lot of heft, doesn't add a ton of bulk, and it's got protective properties. Plus, it also protects your wallet because it doesn't cost a ton of money. The only concerns here, yeah, it probably will turn yellow over time. It does have, they say, strong properties to protect against yellowing. I have never seen a clear case that doesn't yellow over time. So that's why I say, look, don't go buy a $40, $50 clear case. They don't really hold up. This is one of those ones you can get for like 14 bucks, and then 6 months from now, you can throw another one on there, looks right as rain, and you're good to go. It does have a limited 1-year warranty, all that good stuff. You could probably return it if you wanted to, if you want to fight with them. I've never tried that before, but hey, give it a go. But either way, that's why, look, cheap clear cases are good. It's got nice tactile buttons too. And here we go with the stand case. So again, I like this. I like the stand. I'm going to go ahead and put this on the phone so you can see what it looks like. Voila. So you can use this and you can use it to stand up. Let me scoot this over. Also, all these cases are compatible with wireless charging. There you go. You can prop it up like that. That's one thing I like. The ones in the past, they were all kind of wobbly, but the way that this one works, it stands up pretty good. And you see it doesn't really wobble all that much. And then you can also lay it down this way. You can do that. So you got two different options there. Nice kickstand on there. I do like that. Same thing on here. Reinforced edges. Easy to get to the S Pen. Easy to get to the cutout for the charging port. You probably won't be able to put in a USB dongle on these. They're kind of too fat and wide for that. But you can get in a normal charging cable, no problem. And it's just a sharp looking case. I like this one. It's got kind of this textured back on it. It has some grip to it. This one, of course, doesn't pick up fingerprints. It has the recess cutout protection as well. So your camera is going to be protected. Raised protection on the front, so your screen is going to be protected. And when you take a look at the clear version as well, it's basically the same thing. The only thing you need to worry about here is fingerprints. And I'm going to show this off to you. I don't really think ESR is going to care that much. They're the ones selling the product. But when you take a look at this, you are going to get fingerprints, but they do come off pretty readily if you get a microfiber cloth. You don't need to worry about using a cleaning cloth. If you use anything with alcohol in it, it's going to cause it to yellow faster. But see, that gets rid of the fingerprints, the grease, the residue, all that stuff. So maybe just keep one of these around somewhere. Maybe not an Apple one like I have, but you can get cheap microfiber cloths any day of the week. And then you have the camera lens protector as well. And what that does is it ends up giving you these protective lenses that go over your camera lens. I like that. I was really worried when I first saw it. I was like, okay, this is going to be some big block or wedge that's going to mess it up. They did a good job, very thoughtful. You can see here it goes right over. Normally it would have like the white appearance. It would be color matched with the phone. So that looks cool. Gives it a little bit of a contrast. So you got these black camera lenses that stand out now with the white on the phone. I think it's cool. $16.99, probably worth it. You've got these really expensive cameras on a really expensive phone. Probably a good pickup, and it matches well with the cases. So that's it for my product showcase talking about these two cases. Again, let me go over the pricing real quick. These $16.99. You can get the clear case for $14.99. You can get the metal stand case $19.99 for the clear one, $21.99 for the black one. You can get those on Amazon. Again, links down in the description if you want to go that route. All right, not too shabby, huh? I know this is just a product showcase video. I haven't had a whole lot of time to actually review these because it's not a formal review. Just showing them off. These are some options if you're interested. Do I recommend them? I mean, I like them so far. I would buy them myself, and I have them now. They sent them to me, so I don't have to buy these. But I do like the case because it gives you this nice textured back. I like the black one. The clear one is nice too, but the problem I have with clear cases, and I'm just going to say this in the video, it's no stranger to anybody, they pick up fingerprints. That's a problem, so it's kind of a trade-off. If you want to show off the beautiful, brilliant phone, that's cool, but you better carry around a microfiber cloth. Of course, this is my Apple cloth, which people love to hate on. It's funny. I bought this cloth, and I'm just like, okay, cool. I like to use this to clean stuff off because it actually is a high-quality microfiber cloth. So if you want to get a clear case, I recommend getting a microfiber cloth. Maybe ESR could make one. Maybe Samsung could make one. That would be nice because it's great. I do like the way that the phone looks. This white color, they've got the green color, they've got the burgundy color, which looks really, really nice. You put it in your clear case like so, and you tote it around and everybody can see it. It looks gorgeous. And the other thing I like, it had the white bezels around the cameras before, but now that I've got these lens caps on there to protect it, it actually looks black. So it gives it kind of more of a subdued, but it also stands out more as well. So that's also kind of a side benefit. But I think all the stuff's affordable. I wouldn't sit here and be like, hey guys, you should go buy a $50, $60 case. Not really my thing. I've covered some UAG stuff in the past, but this is something I would actually go buy. Like normally before phones come out, I'm like, okay, let me buy a case. Let me get that. I don't really cover a lot of case stuff anymore. I'm more focused on phones. But like I said, I bought these for like 3 or 4 phones and they wanted to work together. So it seemed like a great match. And I believe enough in them to talk to you guys and say, hey, these things are pretty good if you want to consider buying one. So that's all I've got in this video. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to go down to the comment section. We'll talk about it. If you enjoyed the video, please hit the like and the subscribe button and the little notification bell if you want updates when new videos come out. And as always, thanks for being here. I appreciate you watching, and I'll see you guys next time.